Hey y'all, I'm JD and welcome back to Dimensionswoodworks Woodshop. Today we're going to do a really simple project. We're going to make a DIY paper roll holder. Now for my application, I was using it for a paint mixing station. You can use it for paint, crafts, or even baking. Sometimes my wife lays out the roll of paper over our kitchen table for our kids to do chocolate covered pretzels during the holidays. So really simple, really versatile project. Let's get started. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. As always, I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, as well as ring the bell so you can be notified when we release new videos. You can check out our daily activities over on Instagram. I'll put a link down below. And then also you can check out several of our other build videos as well as project plans at the Dimensionswoodworks.com website. And until next time, don't forget to get better every day.